In this video, we're going to be talking about UFO gaming. We've got some new news regarding some new logo for UFO gaming. As well as that, we're going to be analyzing the price of UFO gaming, essentially be seeing where the price is heading, and yeah, a bit of technical analysis. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into the UFO gaming, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on UFO, on CoinMarketCap, UFO gaming is currently down 7.56%. Let me refresh the page. So 8.8% over the last 24 hours. As you can see on the chart on CoinMarketCap, you can see that we were pretty much in the consolidation phase. Then we made a lower low, then made a lower high, and a lower low, and then a lower high, and now another lower low. So it's pretty much in bearish territory. But if we check on the weekly, we can see that we were overall bullish. We did make a new high, and we made a new we pretty much from this region, once it peaked at 0.000011, that's pretty much where we peaked off at 9, and we pretty much just been moving sideways essentially. Hopefully we can respect these pretty much respect these demand zones, these support zones, whatever you want to call it. But if we check on the monthly, we can see that we are still overall in a bearish area. It's probably a very good time to buy in, as pretty much again for a very discounted price on the monthly. If we check the quarterly, we were overall in the bullish territory, but now it looks like we're in the bearish territory, coming through into the red lines. But if we check on the yearly, we're overall bullish. So it's looking good on if you're, it's mostly about long-term investments. So yeah, let's quickly check out the overall market. The overall market is down 3.81% over the last day. As well as that, the crypto global market cap is 1.67 trillion, still below the 2 trillion mark. As you can see, Bitcoin down almost 3%, Ethereum down 3.6% over the last 24 hours. BNB down 3.7, Cardano 4.52. So yeah, it's pretty much just been a pullback day essentially, hopefully. So if you quickly check on UFO Gaming's Twitter page, you can see that UFO Gaming is close to reaching 150,000 followers. As well as that, this is the new logo that they have promoted. So UFO Gaming just pretty much looks more clean than the one before. Pretty much, in my opinion, looks a lot better. There's a bit of contrast coming through. There's a bit of transparency. So yeah, this is what they posted. UFO Army, as you may have noticed, we have worked on a logo rebrand. We think it is finally to start utilizing our new logo. It will be updated on all platforms, social media, and CEXs. As time will show, this is part of a more significant work behind the scenes. So they got some major stuff working on behind the scenes. So if you quickly check on trading view of UFO gaming and how it is, so this is the area that I had marked out. This is like the most strongest support zone, as this from this point onwards, this is what had initially triggered the bullish intent for UFO gaming. So if we drop down to the 4 hour, let's quickly look at what's going on. So you can see that we did have a break of structure. Essentially, we did reach this point, and we did have a bullish pullback, and then we had a new break. So we pretty much had a break of structure within this region. We can mark this out. So you can have that out, and then pretty much you can see that we've just been consolidating, nothing major happening. If we check on the weekly, pretty much it's looking very bullish in my opinion. Looking from the weekly, I think that we would end up reaching this zone, mainly because this is probably the best support zone. Other than that, unless there's some major news that comes out for UFO gaming, and hopefully we can get the, let's quickly check on when their game is coming out. If let's quickly check the roadmap. There's a roadmap about the roadmap, the ecosystem dark metaverse. So yeah, you can see the roadmap. So pretty much in Q3 they're going to deploy contract. They're going to do an audit as well. That was in 2021. Q4 2021 as well. the light paper release, the WP release, the partnership review, the tier 1 centralized exchange, and then okay, so the Q1 for 2022. So we're gonna get the Cosmos event, we're gonna get staking, we're gonna get NFT minting. So once all these stuff come out in the Q1, I feel definitely that UFO gaming's price will increase. Like likes of PvP, virtual land, the PvE multiplayer and co-op with friends. They've got the beta, then they've got the game, the Dark Metaverse game, Super Galactic. So yeah, we could have a huge bullish intent coming through. It just depends on a matter of time on when the developer of the UFO gaming can pretty much when they can pretty much perform. So yeah, it just depends on that. But other than that, that's about it, to be honest. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. Peace.